What's up, guys? We back with another install here at Rob's Customs. We got a Dodge Ram single cab here locally here from Albuquerque. We're going to be doing a brand new sunroof, black suede and some starlights. Let's check out the truck. This is a clean truck. I like this truck. We got the Hemi RT in for some black suede sunroof. I'm gonna put some stars on it. It's a nice clean truck. RT. Clean. Alright guys, let's go back. Let's get the headliner out. The usual here at Rob's Customs, the sunroof installs. We got this video coming out. Do a full paint job on it. I got it tubbed out, 3-wing molded. We removed the the driver's side fender, replaced it. We painted, door jambs are painted, behind the bed, behind the cab's painted, underneath all the fenders are painted, under the hood's painted. So we got the outside to be painted, and we can start putting it back together. This one's been, I've had this one for a couple months of work. Now it's time to paint it. So after this one's done, we got another Silverado cat eyes we're going to be painting, just the outside though. This one we ended up painting this one we ended up taking it all apart to paint. And we got that car out there, painting the doors on it. I have one of the doors already installed, and I got the other one in the paint shop now, and I'll be putting on. And then we got some door jamb work that's been hit in a collision we're going to be doing. Alright guys, we got the glass installed. The starlights are done. There we go, let's focus in. We're going to get the headliner in and start taping everything here on the inside. Here we go. Just with this heat, it peels off the tape. Well, we'll get everything buttoned up, and then start the headliner, start the install. Alright guys, check it out. Starlights are in, sunroof is in, black suede. Came out badass. Look at that. And it is a multicolor button, so you can change colors. Oh yeah.